Our team coverage continues now with Rachel Menitoff, who's been following how Maryland schools are revamping their reopening plans.
Just Rachel, tell us, how is each school system tackling the difficult question of what to do and how to proceed?
Vic and Nicole, it's almost like you need a scoreboard to keep track of who's virtual and who's not, because every school district is doing something a little bit different, and there have been so many changes in the last few weeks. Maryland schools juggling the decision whether to reopen or to revert to virtual learning. Many parents, like Cortez Washington, say it's been a roller coaster.
Yeah, it's been a back and forth battle of like, what should we do, what should we not do?
Baltimore City Schools is one of the few districts reopening some schools.
We've started from the beginning with slow, steady, conservative opening. This is small groups, so we're not doing kind of mass opening of the entire district.
Baltimore City will open 27 schools by next week. Baltimore County is delaying its reopening plans and says if its metrics improve, it may be able to open later on in the semester. Carroll County will continue its 2-day-a-week hybrid model. Anne Arundel County will remain virtual, and Harford County will return to a virtual model this Friday. Howard County is also virtual with the exception of some small group learning. Some districts, like Baltimore County, are now focusing efforts on a full hybrid return model to be implemented in the spring.
When and to the extent possible, we want to provide in-person service, but it will need to be complemented with virtual service as well.
Jackie Warren has a second grader in Baltimore City Schools who says she's happy to remain virtual and avoid the back and forth for now.
I'd rather just keep it this way and just call 2020 a wash, and then hopefully next year they'll be back in school.
And all of the school districts we mentioned say they are regularly consulting with local health experts whenever making these decisions. And here in Baltimore City, the school system says if it needs to reassess its reopening plan, given the rising metrics, then it will do so. We're live in Baltimore tonight. I'm Rachel Menitoff for WJZ.